All right, I got that assembled. All the boys just left. They shorted me on a couple bolts, so I had enough to do this one, all the tops. This one I'm missing a couple here, so I gotta get some more. Anyway, it's just cheap stainless, so freaking I got two that broke on us. It's just, you know, aftermarket kit. So I got that, had my buddies help me hold it up here, and now we're at the point where I need to drill out some of these huck bolts. And so I've already done a couple of these. I'm just grinding them down, and then after that I gotta pound the rest of the huck in. I'd like to put hucks back in it, but I don't have a huck gun, so for right now I might try to find a bolt or something I can go through on the inside and bolt it all together for now. But eventually I'd really like to get my hucks in, get the hucks in so it just looks original. Then I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with these. I think I might just try to grind some of this down, these down, and try to seal these somehow, because these, we tried to hammer them in and they were just seized in there. So I don't believe they're leaking, so I might just clean up all the silicone around here and then grind those flat, and then I might just put a little bit of silicone back over the holes, just make sure they don't leak into the headliner there. But get back to it. Good kill. 3, 2, 1, rivets are installed. What?
Mount the ladder and grab another hammer.
Okay. Where is it?
On the roof.
On the roof. There it is. Oh. And back down. Well, thanks for your help. Appreciate it. I wouldn't have been able to get this shit done.
So that's what's on the couch and do nothing all day.
Nice.
I mean, I could have gone.
Not going?
You all belong the outside one. Damn good, but you just didn't do the inside one.
You grab the hammer then?
I'm gonna do shit with that. Cross your fingers.
Alright, so you need the drill?
Yeah.
That's good. At least you can drill something. I'll get something on video. Damn, I think it's gonna look so good. You got another one? Oh, nice. Here's the bottom two that need to be oblong.
Yeah.
I think it's so dirty. right, 3 brackets on, 3 to go. So I'm by myself. I put 3 brackets on the windshield. I have these other 3 that are already bolted on the back of this. I'm by myself here, so I don't really want to screw anything up. I think I'm going to try to take that thing up there and see if I can get it kind of bolted together. You know, at least partially. Maybe I could undo the middle here. Maybe that's what I should do. Undo the middle. Do one side at a time. Yep, I think that's a lot safer. Yeah, I feel way better about that. So I'll grab some of these. I might even just grab a couple just to get it up there. And then we can worry about the rest. I just don't want to screw this up. Oh, a really nice looking visor here. Okay. Okay. Let's go like this. Okay. I'm feeling around. Yeah. Okay. All right, it's hanging. Right where that needs to be. I think so. Okay. Goes under here. Okay. Hey, it's up there. Okay, now we gotta deal with that. Alright, so I need to grab a bunch of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And all these. Yep. Okay, a bunch of those. Okay. Still need these, but these are the ones over here. So I'm kind of just talking out loud. What happened was we ran out of these nut drivers for this size, so I had some that were a different size. They were metric, so I have some that are metric and some that are SAE. So, anyways, okay, grab this, move my ladder, get the side piece done. Okay, coming up. Yep. Make sure these are the right ones. Yep. Alright, I'm gonna get this bolt on and let you guys know. Alright guys, I got all the inner brackets on and bolted in the top. I have an issue with both the sides though. So where we drilled and riveted those nut inserts on the sides, for some reason they just aren't lining up. But I got two on each side, and the bottom ones, there must be something right behind that nut root, because on the bottom of both, they've hit something. So I asked a buddy, he's gonna come over tomorrow after work and drill them. With those two on there, it should be suffice just to run it for a single day. But those bottom ones, I was trying to get them out, and the nut inserts are spinning. So now I gotta like cut them off, which I'm thinking maybe I'll cut them flush, and then I can put a nut on them since they're stuck in there. And those other two at top, I don't know, both those ones don't line up at all. I don't know if he measured wrong or what, but they're both off. But so there's two on each side. I'll cut that off, put a nut on the bottom of each one. Of the bottoms will be actually 3 on each side. But the inner part all bolted very, very nice. So now we're on to the satisfying.